Mangaon mi ha. Sige, sige. Ay, salam. Wait lang. Thank you. Hello. Dagat. This is how I fight my battle. Hi, high tide. High tide. Hi, Jaren. Nice, no?
We're here in Cebu.
Actually, we're looking for lunch, so we just found out that we need something refreshing.
So we're here.
Refreshing lunch. This is our refreshing lunch.
So we will go now.
Let's go.
Ah.
If you're looking for something, high tide, no?
Pero pwede makakaon di ha.
O ganahan mo mamutog sa okra mo.
Pwede na tato din.
Naman doon sa upstairs.
Dili nga sa din. Check lang mo. Pwede lang. Check mo sa sa dali lang.
We have also second floor. The second floor is the best place where you can get a nice view. Here. We'll just take this table. Thank you. Salamat lang.
Pizza.
Mag-pizza ka?
Hawaiian lang ako.
Hawaiian. Korean. So we're heading up the second floor. Jaren is waiting for her order. Hi, how are you? Do you like your braid? And if you prefer to sit down there, do you like sit down there? Ini siya, pwede ra ko no malingko dito. Ganahan ka ma. Apisik-pisikan sa tubig. Pero jud no kung nagchunilas tag nag-short lang no.
You ordered.
We have decided because the one that I like is it's their first day that they have open after the quarantine. So what happened, I just only ordered pizza because I haven't been sure. After this, we're going to a grocery. We're going to prepare a spaghetti. There is sweet spaghetti. Okay.
Since I'm driving, I can't.
You know what he's doing? I think he's catching a fish. He's fishing. Ay. Ka dyan mo, dahil hindi ha, kung nagchanilas ka, para ma-feel dyan yung water. Wait siya sa iyang order. Then, yung just like water. Cheese.
9 p.m. Yes, sir.
Guys, you know what? Their green apple milkshake is 10 out of 10. Very creamy and it's really delicious. Even Jaren likes it. Do you like it? How you will rate their... And this costs only 160 per glass. And then we're waiting for our order. Just waiting for our order. While waiting for the order, Jaren feels so relaxed because she's reading and she brought her favorite books. The one that she has right now is by Elsie Fitzpatrick, Home. It's a nice book. Okay, enjoy. Yes, please. Thank you, huh? Thanks. Before we head for our grocery later. Bye for now. We have this like how many slices? 2, 4, 6, 8 slices, and this is only for 390 pesos. And this is once you will enjoy your snack with this beautiful view in Gigi Florescence. We cannot order further because most of their menu is not available. But at the moment, because we're just passing by, one, we'll just eat and have this. Okay, try. It's fresh. How's it? Good? It's a hot sauce. And I'll try mine here also. There you go. Let's eat.
I love their pizza because it has a lot of cheese. Like, I really love it.
Yes. Can you please arrange the chair before you eat? And put this chair the other side. Oh, you didn't finish your milkshake.
Yeah.
You said you like this and you didn't finish it. So since she cannot and I can't finish it because we're already full on the way here, because we keep on eating something by the street or by the road. So this is the view inside. Inside view. And they have also a small band area over there. Going up. At doon na siya. Di ka mo agi. Diri ka mo agi. Bye, thank you. Thank you, langga. Tara de. There you go. Dito na. So you can go down from here. Huh? Excuse me, ano sa'yo normal gingon? Ano sa gingon? Ha? Ano sa gingon? Uy.
Mama nakamamita.
Ah. This is where, like, in the real setup of the water, where you can get hundreds of water, splashing water. If it's high tide, the water goes up to the floor level, then you can really feel that you're really tiny on the water. And then they have also private dining. Private dining that would be that exclusively for you and your lover. Oh, look at this, there's a crab. Ang crab. So I'll be at the end of the pier. This is the dining pier. So beautiful. So this is it's beautiful. Nice weather today. Sunny day. Hi Jaren, how do you like your lunch here? Super good. And let's go. Super good. And we'll be heading out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. And we're out. Daray.